everybody! Today we are going to see how to manage a flow as a project tutor. First of all, we enter the username and password associated with the tutor on the Softmob software homepage. This opening screen, called Dashboard, will open. There you can see the Softmob logo. There you'll have the possibility to switch accounts to the students once, and you can see the flows and the list of students. In order to manage our flows, we click on Flows and associate each of our participants to the available mobility slots. Here we can see all the flows associated with our tutor account. Here we can see the name of the flow, while here we can see the name of the project and the school involved. Here we can see the slots available for our flow. Some of them have already been entered and filled in, but let's insert a new one together. By clicking on the yellow rectangle, we will have the possibility to enter the name, surname, username, and password of our student. Then we click on Save to save the changes. Our student has thus been placed inside the flow. To edit our student, we can click directly on this round icon. A screen will open where we can enter all the data of our student, such as personal data or the banking account. We can go back clicking on the arrow on the top left in order to check the list of our students. In case we want to delete a student from the flow, we just click on the red icon with the trash bin on and then click OK to delete the user. When we have finished entering all our students in the flow, we can click on the left in the Students box to find, once again, the list of our students participating in the project. From there, we can manage all the students' profiles. Clicking on the yellow button on the right called Edit, we will have the possibility to edit all the information again. While clicking on the yellow button on the left, we will have the possibility to log in directly to the student's profile, as if we were him or her. From there, the tutor will be able to modify the student's information in any case. That's it. Enjoy the Softmob platform.